Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a teapot in Maya. Open Maya and set your scene units, then create a sphere for the body and a cylinder for the spout base. Begin blocking proportions while watching silhouette and flow. Keep topology simple and use quad faces. Save incremental versions so you can step back if a shape change goes wrong. Refine the teapot by shaping the rim, handle, and spout with extrudes and bevels to maintain clean, flowing topology. Use edge loops to control smoothness and preserve sharpness where needed. Mirror the handle and adjust pivot points for proper rotation. Constantly preview with smooth mesh to check silhouette and fix any pinching or distortions before moving to UVs and texturing. Carefully unwrap UV shells to keep seams out of obvious areas and to preserve textile density across the body, spout, and handle. Bake maps like AO and normals to add realistic surface detail. Use PBR materials to simulate ceramic or metal finishes, adjusting roughness and specular until reflections read correctly. Test in a simple lighting setup to ensure highlights and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.